What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound issue on your owner smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on sound and vibration. Now from here tap on do not disturb, and from here if you have enabled do not disturb then tap on this button to turn it back off. And after turning off do not disturb, the notification sound issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then from here set your sound mode to sound, and after that the notification sound issue will be 100% fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now in apps, again tap on apps option. Now scroll down and tap on the app that is not showing the notification or notification sound. So for example, if you're not receiving the notification sound of Messages app, then open Messages app and then tap on notifications. Now tap on this allow notifications button to turn it on, and after turning on this button the Messages app will start working properly and notification sound issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while receiving notification sound, then the last solution is try updating your mobile's software. So to update mobile software, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on now here click on software update option on the top. Now from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version or not. So if you have not installed the latest software version, then install it, and after installing the notification sound issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the no notification sound issue on your owner smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.